This is Twan, and on today's episode, we got something that we all had when we was growing up. Spaghettios, that's right. But this is grown folks spaghettios. Man, this recipe was amazing. So listen, let's go. All of the ingredients will be in the description for you to follow, so don't worry. This is the pasta that I'm using for this recipe. Is the calamari pasta, so go ahead and save that. All right. Now let's start with the pasta. Add pasta to salted boiling water just like you see here. Follow the package instructions and you won't have any problems. Alright, now before we get into everything else, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more recipes. Heat a skillet to medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil. I'm using olive oil. This is going to help us brown the meat. Alright, for the meat, I'm using ground beef. 1 pound of ground beef. You could use ground turkey if you like. Now you will need to go ahead and break up whatever ground meat you decide to use. You don't want overly big chunks of meat inside of your spaghettios pasta, so I'm taking the time to go ahead and break up my ground beef, and it should look just like that. Now let's go ahead and season it. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and adjust these seasonings as needed. Remember, it's your recipe. I'm only here to guide you. All right. Now I'm adding about this is a half tablespoon of garlic powder, and about the same for the onion powder, a half tablespoon. All right. Now as the meat cooks, break it up some more so that way it loosens, and as you can see, that pound is, filling up the skillet pretty good, right? Now, we cannot forget the W sauce. You see it? I'm not even going to pronounce it. But that's that W sauce. Listen, this is a must. Add about 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. I think I said it right. Listen, drain any excess oil or fat if you like. But listen, I kept mine in there. It added flavor to my dish. Alright, cook until the meat is brown. That's very important. No pink when you are making this pasta. Alright, 7 to 10 minutes and it should be done. Now, I'm using a creamy Parmesan Romano pasta sauce. Now, that is the brand I use. This is not sponsored, but I just wanted to show y'all what brand of sauce I'm using. Now, at this point, you added the sauce to the meat. Stir to combine just like that. You want to make sure everything is well incorporated. You want a delicious spaghettio pasta. Now, listen. Look at that. Ooh, that thing is bubbling. That thing looks amazing. It smells so good. Now simmer this for about 5 minutes just to give it time to combine, alright? I added some grated Parmesan Romano cheese to this, and this is about a half cup. You can add as much as you like. I added a half cup just so we can have a nice bit of cheese flavor to this, and this is going to combine very well with the sauce and that ground beef. Alright, now go ahead and stir to combine just like that. Now I use some of the pasta water to clear out the jar. Listen, we don't waste anything over here. Now listen, we have our finished pasta. Now add the pasta to the meat sauce just like that. All right. Once the pasta is added to that meat sauce, look how amazing that looks. Go ahead and stir to combine. We just want to allow that to simmer just for a few minutes. We're practically done this recipe. Such an easy dinner idea. Grown folks spaghettios. So go ahead and stir to combine and let it simmer out for a little bit. And listen, we only got one more thing to add and then we're done. We're going to eat. Add about a half tablespoon of Italian season as you please, or more cheese as you please. Now we are at the finish line. Now let's go ahead and plate. We are hashtag hangry. Psych. Listen, let's go ahead and plate it up before I do get hangry. Found that at Macy's, thought it was pretty cool. So listen, let's go ahead and plate it up and let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Now you know I can't go anywhere without doing an official taste test. If you made it this far in this video, thanks for watching. It was Twan, Grown Folks Spaghettios. I needed to get a nice spoonful of this homemade Grown Folks Spaghettios. Listen, toast to you. Thanks for watching. Take a bite. Yes, I'm shaking my head in approval. This thing was super good. While I finish my grown folk spaghettios, make sure y'all like this video, subscribe, and share it amongst your peers. I'm telling you, they will love this recipe. And again, I really appreciate y'all watching. I'll see you guys in the next recipe video while I finish stuffing my face with this pasta. Later, guys.